Big and small. Big. Small. Big and small. Big. Small. The thirsty crow. Once, a crow was very thirsty. The crow searched for water everywhere. Ka, kea, ka, ka. At last he saw a pot with very little water in it. He put his beak inside, but he could not reach down the water. The water level rose. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral of the story: think and work hard. You may find solution to any problem. Ears. Earlobe. I hear with my ears, we hear different sounds with our ears. Introduction of number 1. I went to a farm one day. I heard a cat say meow, meow. 1-1. Trace over the dotted number with your finger or crayon. Say I aloud.
Letter L. Lion. Lemon. Leaf. Log. Ladybug. Lock. Lamp. Lamb.
Touch. Hand. Feet. Make children feel sand, water. Nose. Nostrils. Nostrils. Nose has special cells which help us smell. I can smell many things with my nose. Smells are of different types: foul, sweet, pleasant, bad. Letter T. Tent, tent. Tiger. Tomato. Toothbrush. Tree. Telephone. Table. Underwater creature tortoise. Take one paper plate and stick the paper plate according to the shell of the tortoise. Color the outer shell with green and brown color.